we love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience, knowledge, and superior customer service can help you. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.